Gang too wavy, move like Navy SEALs. I'm too wavy, think I need to live. Chicago, baby, she just wanna drill.
What is up, guys? It is your boy Brandon Too Flashy back with another video. Here we got a shoe review. No, I am just playing with you guys, but today we have our first shoe review. I'm not a guy who's like Brandon, but yeah, bro, I got a package and I just thought I should share it with y'all because like when I saw these, it was fire, and I had to cop. Y'all know I had to cop. I don't got no shoes on right now, so it might be a little stupid because like low-key I might get the shoes dirty, bro, but like it's whatever. I don't know how to open this, so just give me a second. I cut the box. Oh. Alright guys, we are gonna start with the Pod 3.1. Honestly, bro, I saw these. You like them, bro? They fresh, ain't they? Yeah, bro, they fresh, bro. Honestly, bro, I rock with these, yo. I saw them, I was like, dude, that is just like clean shoe. Like, it wasn't even this colorway, bro. Like, all the colorways for this shoe are fire. But I just thought I would pick something that popped out because when y'all see the next shoe, it is a little boring, but it's fire still. Let me go ahead and put these on feet for y'all, and then we'll be back.
See this in 3D. Fall like star for me. Fall like star for me. Frozen down to me. 80 degrees. Falling up to you. I didn't free. I didn't know me. And I run out to see.
Alright, bro, the next cop that we have is the Young 96. They did just drop the Young 1, I think. I don't really know the difference. I can actually tell a little bit of difference, but I don't know why this is called the 96 and the other one is the 1. Bro, this is a dad shoe. And I just thought these dad shoes was crispy. Dog. Two different colored whites. This one look dirty and it's not dirty. And honestly, no cap, these kind of look like the 500s, bro. The Yeezy 500s. So I was just like, bro, I might as well just cop, bro. And they got the little blue tongue. Yes, sir, bro. I'm gonna be rocking these, bro. All white joints.
What blue tongue?
You wanna see? Yeah, you see it? Oh, and it's got the back. But yeah, bro, let me go ahead and put these on feet too. You know, I had to. It's just an all Adidas type thing out here, bro. We just chilling, man.
Straight Adidas.
The inside is gorgeous.
She put it in my face, I'm just gon' let it go. She say she want that flake, yeah, I give her snow. She get so hot, she get too hot. UFO. Oh, I guess, oh, I guess. Ride around and flex, disrespect. Yeah, link with me, like my neck, you link with me. Yeah, leaning weak, can't control the leaning weak. Solo.
Alright guys, that was the on feet for the Young 96 and the Pod System 3.1. Honestly, if you want these, go get them, bro. Dude, it fits true to size. Both of these fit true to size. Adidas don't did something special, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, these colorways are dumb. This, it came in a black, but the it had like a white bottom, and I just didn't think that looked as good as white on white. But yeah, bro, leave a like. I'm never gonna do a video like this again unless it's like I get some human races or something. But subscribe, share with your friends, and thank you for watching. And I'm out.
We just rock Coachella, I gave her half of the check. It was good sex, honorable mention to the net. Didn't pass the loud, that was out of respect.